Hey everybody, JD Houvener here. I want to introduce you to one of our guarantees. This is one of our bold confidence guarantee packages. This is called Next Step Certainty. Let me share my screen so you can look at the certificate with me. Our Next Step Certainty guarantee means there's no guessing, no surprises. You always know what's next. Here at Bold Patent, if you don't know what's going on at every step of the way, what's coming up next and how much it costs, that's on us. We will stop right away, clarify, and make it right for you. We guarantee that you'll have full timelines, no confusing legal jargon, and you'll know the cost every single step of the way along the process. I've signed on it, and all of our staff here at Bold Patents knows it's coming. So we guarantee you will know what the next steps are in your case. We do everything here at the firm is flat fee, meaning you're not going to have to wonder what the hourly amount is, what the monthly bill is going to be. You already know, and you've agreed to it in writing with a signed schedule. All right, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, wishing you a great day out there. Go big, go bold.